Section 2. Conducting Metasploit penetration testing. In this section, we will start learning how to conduct a Metasploit penetration testing on different local or online environments. Get scanning techniques by Nmap and Zenmap. Nmap is used to discover hosts and services on a computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. Nmap provides a number of features for probing computer networks, including host discovery and a service and operating system detection. Nmap is a major thing in penetration testing. It's the most important step that every pen tester needs in his daily tasks. Scanning for running services is major in pen testing. Every service is running behind a specific port, TCP or UDP. For example, ProFTPD is running on port 21 and Apache Web Server is running on port 80. Nmap sends packets and analyzes the response. In this case, according to this engine, they will discover if the port is opening and which service is running behind it. Actually, Nmap output formats are supported by Metasploit, especially XML. There are so many scanning techniques supported by Nmap. As shown, there is a TCP, Stealth Scan, or Connect, or others. If you are interested in more learning about Nmap, you have just visit the mentioned reference. The output that generated by Nmap, which is XML, is readable in Metasploit. All you have to do is just specify -O, capital X, to export the results. Metasploit's command with Nmap is pretty easy. All you have to do is db import for importing the output, and hosts to show that parse the content, and services to discover more about what the service is discovered by the Nmap scanning. To start scanning using Nmap and export results into XML file, you have to execute the following command. Then the targeted IP address that you want to scan, and then -O, capital X, and then the name of the file. After that, you have to import it into Metasploit framework. First, you have to start Metasploit database engine. And then start Metasploit framework, MSF console. After that, you can import the file into Metasploit by typing tp import and the name of the file. To explore contents, you can type hosts -u, and to explore the services, you have to type services and then enter, and that's it. The other tool is called Zenmap. Zenmap is the GUI of Nmap engine. It means the graphical interface. It simplifies scanning with some options. All you have to do is just choose your preferred action or option, and then Zenmap will handle the process of scanning. Of course, the ability to export results is supported. To start Zenmap, you go to Application in Kali Linux, then Information Gathering tab, and after that, you click on Zenmap. Zenmap is the Nmap GUI graphical interface. Using Zenmap is pretty easy. It has all scanning profiles you would like to use. To start scanning, all you have to do is to type the targeted IP address you would like to scan, and then choose the profile you are suitable with. In my case, I will just select quick scan, then start scan. After that, you can export result to XML file and then save. You can also explore the results by selecting the tabs here.